From all over the country, the very best accounting students converge on Sunway City. Over the years, Sunway College has developed thousands of successful accountants.
We are the largest provider of professional accountants to the Big Five in Malaysia. This is a serious profession, and at Sunway College, we mean business.
When I say accountancy, you think of the numbers. But it's much more than that. To change things for the better, drive prosperity and create opportunity. Who can make the numbers do all that? We're leaders. ACCA accountants understand teamwork and know how to maximise opportunities. We're essential partners in getting businesses to achieve their goals. We're communicators, able to imagine and inspire. If all the world's a stage, you must be able to speak on it. We're pioneers who test boundaries and push frontiers. We challenge people to think ahead and make ethical choices. We love sustainable solutions to today's problems. The future is ours to protect and nurture. We're digital. We harness the power of technology to innovate and push boundaries and be a positive force for good. We're artists, applying original solutions to real-world problems. When misfortune strikes, it's not just money that's needed to rebuild, but an energetic mind and original voice to overcome the odds. We're ambitious. Our accountants know no boundaries and harness the power of diverse cultures to seek out international opportunities. Accounting is the global language of business, and being fluent can take you anywhere. So when I say accountancy, sure, think of the numbers. The number of lives changed, systems improved, business successes, environment saved. Studying to become an ACCA finance professional means to future-proof your passions, your skills, your life for the opportunities of a brighter tomorrow.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. So I pass the floor to Puan Farida first.
Okay, Assalamualaikum to everybody, especially the future peneraju scholars. I'm Farida by the name, so I'm with Sunway Test in my third year now. Today, Nabila and myself is going to talk to you about peneraju scholars. Okay, I think I get the permission from the host that I can talk in bahasa. I think senang nak cakap lah dengan bangsa kita bagaimana nak dapatkan scholarship ni. Yeah.
Alright, okay, thank you Puan Farida. And Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Thank you for joining all of us. So I'm Nabila, you can call me Madam V. Okay, if I'm your lecturer. Okay, I'm teaching management accounting and I'm very happy, okay, for today's session, and just please ask us anything that you have in your mind. We will try our best to answer your inquiries. Okay? So let's continue, Puan.
Yeah. Actually, tujuan kita ke udara ni nak mengajak murid-murid pelajar-pelajar universiti yang lepasan degree yang ingin melanjutkan pelajaran ke ACCA. Saya rasa degree tu bukan tak cukup. I think nak jadi professional accountant masih hendakkan professional qualification. Jadi peneraju ya salah satu daripada yang memberi scholarship ya. Inilah peluang bagi anak-anak kita, anak bumi putera yang boleh melanjutkan pelajaran. Dulu kita selalu kata tak ada duit nak belajar. Sekarang ni peneraju dengan willingness ya mengajak pelajar-pelajar untuk mengambil peluang ni belajar ACCA di Sunway ya. Pelajar-pelajar degree, all those degree holder, especially saya rasa ITM ramai pelajar-pelajar degree ya, because I was also from UiTM. Kamu ada 4 paper saja, 4 saja ya, dah lepas degree, exempted from 9 papers, ada 4 saja. 4 ni taklah banyak sebenarnya. Kalau betul-betul kita fokus, kita boleh habis dalam 1 tahun sebenarnya ya. So kalau masuk bulan closing date kita 31 Ogos, ya. Masuk bulan 9 bulan September ni kita start kuliah 14 hari bulan dan our first exam will be in December, ya. Satu paper je buat dulu, ya. So saya rasa, saya yakin ya budak-budak degree, especially ITM lah, because I still kata ITM di hatiku ya. Saya memang sayang ya, beramai budak-budak Bumiputera yang belajar accountancy degree merata-rata kampus lah. Saya rasa ni tak cukup, kita kena pursue, kita kena buat SCCA ya. So ni offer yang paling terbaik lah saya rasa peneraju bagi budak-budak Bumiputera ni untuk melanjutkan pelajaran di Sunway ya. Nanti saya terangkan lebih lanjut. Saya ada seorang pesara kat sini, insyaAllah saya akan ajar kamu semua.
Alright, thank you. Alright, so betul tu. Sebab to me lah kan, money, yes, money cannot buy happiness, but money can make our life easy. Beauty, handsome, health, semua tu is temporary. But knowledge wise is forever. Okay, knowledge is very powerful. With knowledge you can change the world. Kan? Jadi now I know you already berjuang setelah berapa tahun you berjaya dapat degree kan. So don't stop there because there's no barrier and there's no stop in gaining knowledge. Okay, so don't stop there. Lagi 4 paper je. Okay, lagi 4 paper with peneraju punya support and of course us the lecturers at Sunway, okay, we will help you to get ACC qualification. I mean, just 4 more papers, then I think you will have more bright future. Plus, you upgrade yourself. This is how you can compete dekat luar sana. Betul tak, Puan Farida?
Betul. Memang betul. Kalau kita macam, semua orang, I think everybody yang ada degree, they can get work, they can get jobs in Big 4 or Big 5 or those things kan. Tapi saya dah lama jadi pensyarah, dah 40 tahun ajar ACCA ni. Ramailah dia punya employer itu pelajar saya kan. Tapi kalau kita masuk setakat degree aja, bila majikan employer nak pilih kita kalah nak present the company ataupun nak pergi seconded abroad, ya, kita ada pelajar yang kat New Zealand aja, merata-rata lah because ACCA ni recognized worldwide. So kalau dia nak hantar kita lah, kalau setakat kita ada degree, saya rasa dia tak akan hantar. Jadi kita kena dapatkan visa. Degree tu macam pasport lah. ACCA macam visa. Nak pergi satu-satu tempat kena visa. Kadang-kadang terus, kadang tidak terus kan. Jadi it's the chance for you now since the opportunity is given to you untuk khas untuk kamu semua. Untuk kamu semua kan. Why not take the opportunity, spend another 1 year, 1.5 years. You have been spending 3 years, 4 years in the university doing degree. Why just extend another year? I'm sure you can do it.
Bukan tu je. Girls, kalau you ada ACC, boleh demand sikit duit hantaran.
Itu buat Nabila lah tu.
Just kidding, alright? But okay, just another 1 year. Okay, like let's say macam ni, you have some health problem, kan? Contohlah, and then you have 2 option untuk dirawat oleh doktor yang biasa ataupun doktor yang pakar. Mana you akan pilih? I can answer for you guys. Obviously, you will choose doktor yang pakar. So that is the power of knowledge again. That's why kids, don't stop until degree. Okay, if you have the opportunity, grab it. Sebab saya rasa antara badan scholarship yang offer untuk buat professional tak banyak. Antara dia peneraju lah yang memang actively giving to Bumiputera scholarship untuk buat ACCA. Tapi degree, there's few scholarship body yang offer untuk buat degree. But for ACCA, tak banyak. Jadi, grab this opportunity. Our closing date for application will be on bila Puan? 31st August. So, lagi berapa hari je ni? So, negara pun dah lama kan merdeka. Jom kita upgrade diri kita. Mari semua.
Yalah kan, peluang ni sebab college lain pun dah tutup kan, jadi Sunway the only place yang still open. Dan cakap pasal scholarship ya, tempat-tempat badan yang lain bagi scholarship tak banyak ya, kadang-kadang untuk 5 orang 10 orang kan. Jadi peneraju ni dia memang offer. Jadi kalau kita tak ambil peluang ni, peluang datang cuma sekali ya. So saya rasa eloklah ya cuba ya apply. I think insyaAllah boleh because you already have degrees. Sikit je lagi.
And one more thing, you can ask people punya opinion, tapi jangan take it 100% because usually right when you ask people punya opinion, they are talking out their fears, ketakutan mereka, and we always receive that, oh ACC susah. Come on guys, no pain, no gain. And di sebalik setiap kesusahan pasti ada kesenangan dia. Mungkin susah untuk dia, tapi kalau untuk you, who knows? The journey is different for each one of us. And I believe so, you're here today watching kita orang dua yang gorgeous ni hari ni buat FB live because there's a reason behind it. Okay, maybe you're contemplating whether nak ambil ke tak. Don't have that second thought because to me, again, this is my stand. With knowledge, okay, and plus with this professionalism, okay, it can bring you, besar lagi tau peluang pekerjaan, employment you punya future akan lebih cerah, especially if you want to survive in this line. Okay?
Satu lagi Nabila, sekarang ni kan pekerjaan pun susah nak dapat dah.
Betul.
Banyak yang retrenchment. Jadi ada hikmah di sebalik berlaku tu lah ya. Mungkin tak dapat kerja tapi ada peluang untuk belajar lagi. So cari peluang ini. Mungkin kalau dulu senang kerja, sekarang ni kerja susah, ada yang dapat kerja pun kena buang kerja kan. So might as well you take the opportunity, further study so that after 1 year, 1.5 years, economy is better, they can find better job. Rather than you kerja sekejap, you masuk belajar, lintang pukang lah, tak betul. Saya rasa kalau dah masuk kerja tu nak belajar, kalau you rata-rata tanya orang lah, tak ada masa nak belajar. Jadi itu yang susah tu. Jadi komitmen nak buat assignment, jadi dia kata tak ada masa. Jadi dia mula dah dia blame tak ada masa nak belajar. So sekarang ni your focus is just study lah. Kan kita we guide you, we help you all the facilities.
Betul. Okay, fine. I agree with you. Some of you guys kata, madam, with degree also we can get employment. Okay, fine. And madam, we can work sambil study. But believe me, itu memang boleh, tapi I don't think so is a very favourable punya option, betul tak Puan? Sebab once sudah kerja, especially bekerja sebagai seorang accountant ke auditor ke, believe me, you have a very tight schedule. You have a lot of work that you need to do, your deadline and so on. So you boleh bayangkan tak, kelas over the weekend kalau you ambil part time, right? And it will be cram, okay? And cram means what? You cannot have that work-life balance that all of us being what we call that dream of, betul tak? So it's your choice now. Just sacrifice like 1 year of your life to pursue with this program, okay? And then continue with your what we call that, your corporate ladder. You just go. But now again to survive, and if you ada panggil apa tu, cita-cita nak be global, right? ACC is a correct qualification for you.
Kalau rasa tak nak kerja dekat PwC kat Malaysia, kita apply tempat lain. Because saya ada student saya even sampai dekat San Francisco. Ada PwC sana. Merata-rata lah because they have the visa to go. So you work here for a few years, 3-4 years, you apply yourself. There are a lot of people overseas. But syarat dia kena ada professional qualification lah. Tapi kalau kita tak ada, memang kalau kita setakat kita diploma degree, kita nak kerja kat Singapura pun tak nak kan. Jadi kerja just within our country jadi tak boleh lah So kalau ada peluang tu, dah ada duit, tak payah cari duit lah. Pernah juga sponsor. But take the opportunity. Kalau kasih orang lain dah lama dia grab lah. Kita yang tak nak, kita jangan fikir susah. Saya rasa saya dah pernah buat ACC kan, semua susah, apa pun susah, tapi the main thing you discipline lah kan. Kita kena belajar, kalau kita aim kita nak dapat, insyaAllah lah. You don't have to be like, orang kata kalau SPM tak mesti 11A boleh pas ACC, tak payah lah benda tu.
Puan, I mencelah sikit cakap pasal SPM tu kan, cakap pasal SPM. Okay kids, I nak tanya you ingat lagi tak keputusan UPSRU? Is it valid for now? Ingat tak macam mana you berusaha untuk capai straight A dalam UPSR? Ke tak? Tak berusaha. I hope you berusaha. And can you remember how you put all your effort for your PMR or your PT3? Dah tak ada guna, betul tak? Sama juga dengan SPM sekarang. Okay? Bila you ambil SPM dulu pun, you can remember, right, how your effort to achieve straight A. Because I ajar daripada CAT. So I can see kan, student yang dapat straight A pun actually they are facing some challenges when they transit to CAT, because this is totally different thing, alright? When you want to upgrade your knowledge, of course there's some panggil apa tu, challenges, and these challenges is doable. Okay, especially at Sunway, it is proven that kita dah ada banyak sangat graduate yang berjaya, okay, dengan Sunway, and they are already employed and very successful. So we hope you can be part of us. Okay, your success is our success also. Betul tak, Puan?
Ya. Kita nak juga tengok di Sunway kan, anak Bumi Putra kita ramai kan. Jadi nak juga tengoklah kan, yang kita pun sebenarnya pandai juga. Sebenarnya kita ni pandai, cuma mungkin kita punya attitude, kita punya influence ya, attitude, rasa kita tak boleh buat lah, SCC ni susah lah. Tapi janganlah tanya pada orang yang tak pernah buat, mesti dia kata susah. Ya, cuba tanya orang yang dah pernah buat. Kegagalan tu part of life. Whatever you do, ada gagal kan. Tapi gagal tu bukanlah gagal selama-lamanya kan. Mungkin sebab you gagal tu tak cukup markah, itu je. Because you are going to be, your standard is, what you call that, international standard kan. Jadi nak sampai ke tahap itu, mestilah kita punya tahap kena tinggi kan. So, orang kata 50 markah apa, memang 50 markah apa. Tapi one thing mesti tahu lah, SCC ni 50 pas 49 tu fail kan. Tapi kalau misalnya lah, maaf saya nak cakap lah, saya dah lama mengajar kan, kalau setakat diploma degree, kalau kita murid kita 49 tu, mesti kita nak tolong. Mesti nak apakan je 50 kan. Jadi kalau SCC kita tak tolong ya. Everything up to the marker, up to the examiner. So meaning that if you have got 50, you pass lah. 49 you fail kan. Kecuali you jadi prize winner, orang kata between 49 and 50, such a big difference, just 1 mark. But between 50 and 99 makes no difference. Itu tu lah kalau jadi prize winner lah. And kita pun ramai prize winner Nabila
Yes.
So saya pun rasa bangga sejak saya join Sunway ni, sejak 1st January 2018 until now, I got 4 prize winner. So rasanya 2 orang pun tak pernah raju. Itu yang rasa seronok tu kan.
Of course, Puan, you are very well-known lecturer, right, for your credibility and so on. Okay, and I just want to share some things kan. Kita kata Bumi Putra ni selalunya macam boleh ke? Like that kan, that mentality. But you see especially during this pandemic kan, COVID-19 kan, semua kelas from home, betul tak? So I just want to share with you guys, one of my student, right, CAT student lah, alright, peneraju student managed to get 100% for my paper. Means he's the highest in the world. Okay, despite all of these punya, panggil apa, despite all of these punya challenges that we are facing, all of us, right, COVID-19, we managed, we managed to get that such a very good achievement, Puan, right? So that's a very proud achievement for Sunway and also for peneraju, because itu menunjukkan kita boleh and everything is possible.
Kita boleh, cuma usaha tu kena lebih sikit lah ya. Kita memanglah macam kita bangsa Melayu tu, kita macam dah, orang kata dah sekata kita ni tak rajin, tapi kita kena ubah lah. Kalau kita rajin, kita usaha, memang boleh dapat lah. We don't have to have extra brain to do SCC. Your brain is good enough. The only thing, kena ikut cara yang betul. InsyaAllah boleh lah. Saya ramai dah boleh buat ya. Come join us please ya.
Alah you guys, you tahu kan passing mark ACC is just 50%. Alah benda lah 50% untuk you guys kan. Mesti boleh punya. Alah dekat degree diploma lah 80, 90, 4 flat semua kan. I know. Dapat rasakan aura 4 flat dengan korang ni. So alah apalah 50% je. So you can do it, alright? Because why I say you can do it? Because Sunway memang dah terbukti banyak dia punya track record of producing graduates yang berjaya sampai habis to the end of journey, and also kita dah banyak produce prize winner and so on.
Ya.
Okay?
Ya. Betul. Boleh. I think
Again,
kalau
keting 31 Ogos jangan lupa nak daftar cepat. Beritahu kat kawan-kawan daftar cepat.
degree requirement 3 poin je. No problem. Actually budak degree yang budak degree yang dapat first class honors kan. Takkan tak boleh buat ACC kan Nabila? I'm sure dia boleh kan?
Yes,
banyak kan?
Currently kan saya tengah ajar budak-budak peneraju daripada diploma background, and surprisingly all of them is very very great. They can survive. I mean they can follow, and they punya willingness to learn I think is more. Gitu.
Okay lah. So lah. Boleh. I think kalau degree dah banyak belajar kat degree 3 tahun campur diploma lagi dulu kan. I think benda tu a very strong background, strong ground for you to pursue ACC. Subjek kita.
Gitu upgrade diri kan.
Yes. Kalau macam saya ajar
apa dia Wan? You can go ahead.
Kalau saya mengajar test paper kan. Dah belajar diploma, dah belajar 2 test paper. Kalau degree dah 3 lah. Takkan tak boleh buat satu lagi. Satu je lagi. Effort kita kena lebih lah. Jadi kita kena work together kan. More lah. Orang kata bukan study hard je. Kena study smart lah kan. Then one more thing. Janganlah pula last minute study tak boleh lah kan. ACC ni continue. Kalau hari ni assignment, kena buat hari ni assignment. Jangan semalam saya ada bagi test pada student saya. Dia kata, madam, saya buat diploma, besok nak exam, hari malam ni belajar boleh pass lah madam. ACC boleh? Kata kalau ACC tunggu tahun depan lah boleh pass. Jadi kata kena ubah. Cara tu kena ubah, insyaAllah boleh. Okay, saat lagi nanti kita punya bos masuk. InsyaAllah dia akan cakap tapi saya memanglah galakkan. I've done the course, I know how difficult it is. Walaupun saya dah graduate lama dah, tapi still samalah okay so nanti kita punya bos nak masuk lah Mr. Teo nak masuk tak lagi.
Okay, so we see you back after this guys so let's hear a very you have a very great opportunity tau, tak selalu tau dia join our great Mr. Teo, okay, the CEO of Sunway Test, okay, such a very great opportunity, and we pass the floor to Mr. Teo. Jangan lama Mr. Teo, I nak cakap banyak ni.
Melawan bos lagi ni.
Okay, tak, diam.
Okay, hello Mr. Teo. Tak dengar Mr. Teo.
I cannot hear you Mr. Teo.
No voice.
Okay, so guys, again jangan lupa, okay sekejap ada masalah technical, sorry, tapi kejap jangan pergi mana-mana, Mr. Teo akan kembali. By the way, apply cepat-cepat. By the way, spread this news to friends sebab kita Sunway masih buka lagi, okay, application for PPAS, so please apply. Bagi tahu kawan-kawan, dapat tak dapat tu cerita nombor 2. Yang penting you apply dulu. Kita tengok whether you are qualified for this or not. Kalau qualified, don't have second thought.
Actually, Nabila, saya pun dah beritahu Associate Professor Dr. Zuraida UiTM, dia memang power lah kat accountancy kan. Dia memang close dengan student. Dia kata, why not you cakap dengan student degree-degree tu kan. Peluang ni datang sekali. So, mungkin ada yang tak tahu kan. So, kita ramai Bumi Putra yang buat degree, memang ramai, especially ITM. Macam-macam branches kita ada kan. So, takkan setiap branch tak datang. Kalau satu branch tu hantar 20, ramai dah dapat dah. Dan mereka tu memang tertera lah. So boleh lah minta lah belajar
You guys,
kat Sunway.
even I'm very okay, macam madam kan, madam ajar budak yang background daripada diploma pun student, I mean student daripada background diploma pun they are okay. You all degree, come on.
Lagi
You are
okay.
more advanced than them. So don't
Lebih
worry.
okay.
Okay, I'm not saying this journey is easy, but it's very rewarding. And mungkin you dalam hati you, okay, I should take or not. Guys, this is a very good opportunity. Sebab satu, macam I just nak highlight balik point-point pada tadi, very good one. Employment sekarang I think freeze. Okay, because of our economic punya condition. So why don't you upgrade yourself? Be smart, don't work hard. Macam tu kan. Be smart. You know that you cannot get opportunity for your employment. Why not you upgrade yourself? Okay, you serve yourself to the market means you are in term of professional kan. I'm ACCA affiliate.
Betul.
And okay, kenapa? What is like to study at Sunway Puan? Alright, what is like to study at Sunway? Macam I kan, okay, I kan tak adalah tua, tak adalah muda sangat, but Sunway kalau I dapat putarkan balik masa, Sunway I think a very very great place to study. Okay, because the environment of course, and my friends sekarang, my friend, okay lah, my student worldwide tau, okay. Siap, I dah cakap dah, kalau I pergi dekat negara you, I tak nak bayar tourist guide. Save duit you guys, be smart, accountant kan. You see, worldwide, I can know their culture. This is very good for that kind of exposures. And the facilities there, tak boleh cakap lah kan.
I think dia punya environment memang because macam pagi saya sudah datang dalam pukul 7 saya dah sampai kan. Memang very bright lah. I mean, just everywhere you can study now. Terang-terang. I mean, it's not like macam pukul 7 malam, 8 malam pun, you know, just up to you. You can study. You don't have to be in the library actually. You can be there. There's no excuse.
Dia macam korang tak nak balik rumah tahu tak? Rasa nak tidur kat Sunway tu.
That's right.
Kena halau, balik. I pun kena halau juga, balik.
Itulah best lah. Rasa macam belajar ramai-ramai kan. Jadi tak adalah orang kata, ada student kata, saya kata dulu ada certain place tu macam pukul 6 petang dah gelap, dah kena balik kan. But not Sunway lah, I'm so sorry. Sunway daripada, tak tahu yang mana pagi petang, tak tahu lah, semua terang benderang. Tak belajar kan.
Yes. Betul tu. So I think the facilities at Sunway, tapi I nak cakap lah, jangan lupa bawa jaket tau. Sebab selalunya sejuk kan. Kan tau, we all lecturer ni, you all tutup aircon. Sejuk, kita orang panas. Kan? Okay. So you, nama pun qualification from UK kan. Kenalah rasa sikit environment sejuk-sejuk UK. Alright. So facilities is very great. Okay. So now we are welcoming back, I hope so. The technical side is okay for our Mr. Teo. So Mr. Teo, I think we'll pass the floor to you, Mr. Teo.
Are you there, Mr. Teo? The guy who responsible to hire both of us. Nabila. Dia yang membawa saya ke situ kan. Kan?
Itulah.
Memang dah lama nak masuk kat situ tapi tak jodoh kan. So alhamdulillah, I'm really happy how they treat me.
With you guys, actually right, people thought we are mother and daughter, but actually we're not lah. Okay, boleh lah kan, mak angkat anak angkat, boleh Puan?
She can be my daughter lah. My daughter pun banyak order dah. But anyway, seronok kat sini ya.
She was like my lecturer before lah, lebih kurang my husband lecturer to be Izzat kan?
Isra ya.
So,
saya mengajar suami dia.
So back then macam
suami tak ada kelas, saya tak ada pula.
Lumayan. So it's like dulu macam panggil apa? Student lecturer kan, and now macam colleague tau. So that's world, okay?
Eloklah ya, saya cakap juga, tapi saya rasa ni peluang yang memang elok untuk Bumi Putera. Saya pun nak tengok orang ramai Bumi Putera kat situ kan, jadi seronok lah ya. Wherever you go, that corner, kita nampak lah bangsa kita kan. Jadi kalau peluang ni dibagi pada orang lain, saya kata dalam kita dah, tak adalah kita tak dapat dah. Tapi kita sayang dia orang meneraju bagi Sunway Test pun bagi peluang pada kita. nak
Tak
belajar kan.
tak banyak kan puan scholarship which
Tak.
I tengok, I research memang tak banyak, tapi itulah I tengok macam such a very great effort from peneraju itself nak bagi dekat Bumi Putra scholarship. I mean siapa nak kasih tau. I mean professional tak banyak scholarship body yang
Yeah.
offer for it. Okay.
So,
So
ambil je lah.
take this opportunity guys, okay. Macam I cakap lah, InsyaAllah bukan indah khabar dari rupa, bukan hanya janji-janji manis. Because you can Google it up, okay, our performance at Sunway,
Yeah.
our prize winner, our graduates, our employment, our employability. I mean, the partnering that we have with all employers. So this is a very great future for you. We are just the medium, okay? But if you want to change your life, okay, you need to be the change first. You kena ambil next step
Professional.
untuk upgrade diri you, which is professional. Okay, there's a lot of other professional macam ACCA, CIMA, MIPA semua tu kan. But I think yang memang dah strengthen dekat Malaysia ni memang ACCA lah. Pergi mana-mana pun orang tahu, oh ACCA. Dia macam ada satu lambang kat sini ACCA.
Dia cop.
Gedebung.
Lepas tu dia punya career after that pun very good kan. You can be anything lah. It doesn't mean you daripada sisi kena jadi auditor tak. Auditor, accountant, macam-macam boleh jadi lah. Terpulang pada you kan. Sebab SCC bagi kita very good foundation what you want to become before. So lepas tu boleh lah buat. Terpulang pada
fine.
kita lah kan.
Yes, fine Puan. This paper is memang very very hard, right? I mean not hard, sorry. I rephrase balik. Challenging but doable. Gitu. Memang challenging. But okay, what kind of support? Okay, fine, madam. What kind of support that we can get if we study at Sunway, right? Okay, satu, you memang akan closely monitored by Sunway about your performance. We will do your progress test. We will check from PT1, progress test 1, progress test 2 and mock. And we will detect since beginning. Means from the PT1 itself, kita akan detect mana student yang perlu extra attention. And our boss here really make sure that we lecturers akan bantu you all semua. He will say, do extra class for them. Okay, you must help them. Okay, boss. Okay, that is out because we don't mind. Because as a lecturer, that is your success is our success also, right? Okay, so that is the kind of support. Kita akan bagi you extra class, even extra tutorial if you need, okay? To make sure that we prepared you well to sit for your final exam.
And then one more thing, material wise kan, kita punya material, buku-buku kan semua from Sunway lah. You can have the books and also online kan semua ada. Everything is there lah. You don't have to buy any other extra book. Everything provided within that. So you boleh gunakan lah. Tak payah cari-cari tempat lain lah.
Bak kata pepatah Melayu, sapu tangan puan.
Ya. Semua ada kan?
Semua ada.
Semua ada.
You just
nak
apply.
nak je lah.
Apply cepat. Lepas tu kalau shortlisted interview, kalau dapat I sebagai panel, hati-hatilah
Boleh.
And then create bright future. Okay kids? Come on, join us. Okay? Bukan tu je. Dekat Sunway you boleh jumpa kita orang juga.
Ya.
Kan?
Betul dah peluang ni. Hopefully ramai dah tahulah. Rasa takut ramai yang tak tahu. Itu yang tak tahu kan. Jadi itu sebab kita keluar hari ni, saya pun dah cakapkan dengan ramai UiTM staff semua kan, beritahu anak-anak atau saudara-saudara, mungkin saudara yang kita dengar nak belajar tapi tak ada geran, tak ada duit. Sekarang ni duit dah ada, so I think there's no more excuse kan. Tak ada lagi kata tak ada duit, dah ada. Benar tunggu je, you apply je, insyaAllah you boleh dapat. So itu yang saya duk cakap tu, tak ada dah yang kata tak ada duit nak beli buku, tak ada duit nak masuk, nak belajar. BCC ni kan kita kena bayaran in pound sterling kan. Kalau kita convert pound sterling ni kita memang mahal. So if all those things paid by peneraju
ekonomi tak stabil ni.
So boleh lah. Boleh kan. You go talk to your saudara-saudara mara ke siapa-siapa kan yang menganggur, tak tahu nak buat apa tapi ada degree tapi tak dapat kerja kan. Jadi sekarang memang saya tahu ramai yang tak ada kerja because tak ada peluang. So just put another 1 year or 1.5 years, go ahead and do it. After that, insyaAllah you can get a better job, I tell you. a better job.
Yes.
So you can choose. You can choose. Okay.
Yes, Kit.
I'm really
Jadi kan
happy.
kita orang ni memang suka bercakap. So please tolonglah bagi kita orang soalan. Please. Okay, macam I cakap dengan student I,
Aduh.
challenge me. Cepat. Please. We love to answer your question.
Nanti kita jawab soalan apa yang nak tanya. Boleh, no problem.
And I'm sorry guys, Mr. Teo not able to join us today because of technical problem. Tak apalah, nanti kita buat, tak apa, nak jumpa sangat Mr. Teo kan? Cepat,
Datang.
apply. Nanti boleh jumpa face to face terus. Gitu kan puan?
Dia kasih peluang kita cakap lah ni. Kita boleh cakap, kita boleh jawab. Okay. Betul. Tu ada login, tu ada application tu, you just log in, everything will be there. Ya, don't delay, malam ni buatlah ya. InsyaAllah malam ni buat ya. So nak merdeka kan, jadi kita merdekakan diri kita supaya dapat kerja elok nanti.
Yes.
Ya, merdekakan diri
By the way
kita.
kan, kalau you tak tahu kat mana nak apply, you tolonglah follow Instagram Sunway Test and follow Facebook Sunway Test juga. You can get a lot of updates there, information kan, and how to apply and so on. Alright?
Boleh kontak kita juga. Masya Allah. Oh, Mak Biuda. Masya Allah. Okay. Okay then. Ya. Afiq Marzuki ya. Okay, after you complete ACCA, all the papers, you need to work. Yes. As far as I know, you got to work. If audit firm, you got to work 3 years. Kalau commercial 4 years ya. Then you become a member. Jadi belakang nama tu boleh tulis Afiq Marzuki ACCA. Barulah sedap kan?
Tambah sikit.
Mahal kan?
Betul, lepas 3 years Afiq Marzuki CCA kan. Lepas another who knows 3 to 5 years Tan Sri Afiq Marzuki gitu. So macam ni. Once you sign up with this program, automatically you akan be part of ACCA as a student dulu. Then after you completing all the papers, you akan graduate tapi you akan dikenali sebagai affiliates. Gitu. Dia bukan panggil graduate lah, bukan fresh grad. Dia akan kenali sebagai affiliates. Then after 3 years and some of experience punya requirement that you need to do with ACCA later, I think 3 years je kan puan kerja. And then you can apply for your membership and you can call yourself as a chartered accountant.
Yes.
Okay, Afiq, I hope I can answer your question.
Ada modul dia kena buat lah, etik all those things kot lah. Ya. Ada disediakan online modul all those things. They are there, you just buat lah according to what they want, in order to become professional. Can I just did my final LB papers, can I qualify for ACCA scholarship? That one I think you got to apply. That one for peneraju tak ada lah. You
Tapi
can other than peneraju can lah. For Sheila, I think Sheila Devirat, so you can ada other scholarship but not peneraju, because peneraju is for putra only. Sheila, I'm so sorry to tell you.
But you can still further your ACCA but no scholarship provided for that.
Yeah. You can
Don't
still
stop
further.
Sheila. Okay? Don't stop Sheila. Keep fighting, okay? You can do this.
It's good. The background between you have law background plus ACCA, accounting and law. Very good. Yeah. Because like my paper, tax paper, you need to know law. Then you need to know accounting. Then you can become very good tax consultant.
I think she will be one of your favorite student lah, Puan Farida.
Yeah. Wow. Nabila, answer that question. You are good in that question.
What are the key benefit of studying in Sunway Test? What is the key benefit, Puan?
Banyak ya.
I think you are more excited with this. Yes, banyak kan, tak tahu mana nak
Banyak.
start.
Tak cakap lah, because that's why I told you tadi macam timetable, kelas macam mana kelas kelas semua aircon kan, average number, lecturer, various period, qualified lecturer. Kita ramai juga lecturer yang prize winner, first in Malaysia, first in the world jadi lecturer. So if you are taught by those lecturer, mesti best kan. And then material wise, buku-buku semua ada. Saya rasa lah tak ada benda yang tak ada. Jadi memang kalau you je pula peneraju pula dapat hostel duduk kan. So okay lah. Ya, kita dah 17 tahun platinum status, 17 tahun dah lama. Sunway tu 25 tahun kan Nabila? So 17 years platinum status. Platinum status maksud yes. Kita achieve such a good
Puan,
result.
apa maksud platinum status Puan? Mungkin dia tak tahu kan Puan? Apa maksud platinum status ya Puan? Kenapa Sunway platinum status? What is that?
Kita macam kita dalam paper, kalau tak silap saya, kalau 13 paper tu kita dapat maksimum, kebanyakan paper kita achieve above the world rate. Pass rate upon world pass rate. Kalau world pass rate tu kata 60, kita 80. Macam tu. Dan kebanyakan paper macam tu. So we are given platinum. Jadi okay nak. So being passing rate kita very good lah. World rate maybe 50. Kalau kita punya pass rate. Ya.
Kalau you di sekitar area KL kan, you boleh nampak banyak sangat signboard or advertisement about Sunway Platinum status. So what is Platinum status is all about? We are the longest yang hold that status in Malaysia sebab maksudnya our passing rate means the passing of all the subject kan in ACCA is surpass the worldwide punya level. Maksudnya kita berjaya mendahului ataupun sama dengan passing rate global. Jadi itu menunjukkan how dedicated kita dalam membantu para pelajar dekat Sunway, dan juga di sini juga saya nak ambil peluang di mana I think lah, kalau bagi di mata saya lah Puan because I'm part of it juga, the key benefit of studying at Sunway Test is actually I think the line out of the lecturers, my colleague. Okay, they not we lah, they are very we lah
committed.
We are
committed.
Dedicated because our focus now is actually kan satu je, student can make it through. Okay, we do that very close monitoring macam dengan student, and our boss here memang tekankan that is the most important thing, and I think because of that juga I am motivated every day when I come to the college. I'll be very motivated because I know I'm very clear I need to make sure that all my students can make it through. Okay.
Just to share with the rest yang kat luar sana ya. So far kita dapat world prize winner 208 orang. And Malaysian 649 orang Malaysian prize winner. Termasuklah saya punya student lah. I'm so proud. Of course lah kan. Mestilah seronok apa dapat prize winner kan. You can produce prize winner kan. Ya, memang lah. So itu sebab kita dapat platinum memang. Every year kita, every semester lah, bukan every year, every semester, every exam mesti ada winner. Ya, so and kita dah dekat 7,000 ACCA graduate.
Apa benda lah prize winner tu Puan? Maybe diorang they are not familiar, right? Okay.
Dia punya cakap.
In our system tak ada pointer ke CGPA, what you call that thing, 4.4 flat ke tak ada. Our system is just pass or fail. You must make sure that your mark is more than 50%. Okay?
And 50%. 50%
okay,
or more.
50% and more lah. But what is actually prize winner? So prize winner is actually kan pelajar tu berjaya mendapat markah paling tinggi. Dia ada dua level. Satu Malaysia, satu dunia. Tu kita panggil Malaysia prize winner dengan global prize winner. Maksud global tu kita tinggi dekat seluruh dunia. Sebab paper ni kan global. Seluruh dunia ambil paper yang sama. Jadi kalau ikut track record Sunway kan, buat masa sekarang untuk pelajar yang berjaya mendapat world prize winner adalah sebanyak 208 student, dan pelajar yang dapat Malaysia prize winner hampir 600 lebih student. Berjaya kami produce lah. We can say kami because we are proud of it Puan.
Mestilah. Ya. So banyak ramai lah daripada tempat kita lah kan ya. So itu yang kita nak ajar budak-budak Muputra ni, datanglah masuk sini ya. So boleh jadi prize winner kan. So sebab pengalaman saya pun dah produce prize winner kan. Daripada 4 orang tu 2 budak peneraju ya. So Winda, you can do it. Okay.
Alright.
What career? Okay. I work in banyak ni. What type of career? Banyak ya. So after my 3 years, so meaning that if you complete your audit after 3 years, meaning that you can do other jobs lah. Ya, banyak macam-macam ada. Dia IT bukan IT, jadi accountant, jadi macam I jadi saya lecturer, macam Nabila jadi lecturer kan. So terpulang pada masing-masing lah. Tapi get through the exam, work experience, after that you can venture, you can cubalah apa yang nak ya. Dan juga kalau dah lama-lama tu jadi partner of the firm, I have my students, former student who are partners of the big firm ya. So banyaklah dia punya career ya. Kalau terpulang pada kita apa kita nak jadi. Tak nak kerja kat Malaysia, kita boleh kerja abroad. Kita nak kerja PwC in Malaysia, you boleh kerja kat New Zealand. Ramailah ya. It's all over because you got the visa ya.
So let me share my experience a bit about working, right? So after I completing my professional, right, I start my journey with finance first, okay? Then I move to audit, then I move to tourism, and my last industry that I joined before I joined education is in oil and gas. So then only I move to education. So you see that this is what I see lah, my opportunity, peluang saya bila saya ada professional lagi luas. Saya boleh dicampak ke mana, ke sini, ke sana, ke sini. Means people know. Tunjuk baca resume je. Oh, you hired. Macam tu lah kan. Lebih kurang. Sebab that is the quality sebenarnya yang employer tengok sekarang. Especially kalau you nak survive in this line. So, kids, don't wait. Come on apply. Company tak tahu. Cepat apply. Baik apply. Kita punya closing date 31st August. Okay. Ni sekarang ni pun boleh apply. Tapi tunggulah lepas habis video ni baru apply kan.
Okay. Satu lagi saya nak share kat sini. So far Sunway Test dah keluarkan 223 orang yayasan sekolah. Okey lah, dah graduate lah. Dah ada 223 orang daripada Sunway. Ramai lah tu. Itu intake tak ramai dulu kan. Sekarang kalau intake ramai, lagi ramai lah boleh kita keluarkan.
Betul.
So you should join lah. Yang ada kat luar tu ya.
Bang, tolong bang.
Nak buat apa ke? Terus je. Come and join us. Okay, how? Oh, changes dia about 5 to 6 years dia akan bertukar. Kita memang up to date. Ya, jangan cakap lah paper saya tax every year. Ya, every year tukar budget. Tapi kalau when come to syllabus, memang tukar lah. Kita memang not outdated. Ya, once in 5 years memang bertukar. Ya.
Okay, kenapa bertukar? Sebab that is the benefit of be part of ACCA. Okay, we'll always keep your competency up to the panggil apa tu, to the most recent punya lah. Okay, if anything that professional skill or competence that you need to add up or increase, kan, memang ACCA akan cover. That is the benefit of you lah as one of the member of ACCA.
And after that, once you start working, you become member, you keep on sort of attending to get CPD. So you go to update yourself. Meaning you are not outdated accountant lah. How quickly can I complete? Oh, if you are after degree, I think you can complete within a year actually. 1 year cukup. Can be that fast because you only got to do 4 papers. First paper masuk nanti September, exam December. Dah habis 1. Tinggal 3 kan. So 3 tu every semester habis lah. 3 bulan. Cepat.
Then you guys, one more interesting fact about Sunway kan, Sunway Test. Okay, every semester the duration is 3 months. Okay, kita implement 3 months program. So maksudnya most college kan ataupun university out there yang offer professional, they offer 6-month program. Means you do 2 paper in 1 semester and the semester duration is 6 months. Tapi dekat Sunway, kami kan selalu kan student focus. Yang penting kami punya fokus adalah student. Jadi kita improve or innovate our system, kita tukar kepada 3 bulan setiap semester. So maksudnya setahun ada 4 semester. Dan satu semester only 1 paper. Jadi kita tak akan pressure student kita. Okay, means that 1 semester your focus, your objective is only passing 1 paper. So it's a very very doable. So you don't have to stress out, aku kena belajar ni. No, you only study 1 paper and if you objective and if you are responsible toward your own self, I don't think so it's a problem for you to make it through straight sitters.
Ya, boleh. Kita juga sudah yang kita masuk dulu 2018 dah graduate lah. Cepat betul. Kita ajar daripada CAT very fast. Ya, tu
Yeah.
peneraju student. Okay, okay. Last question after this. What is that? How does very interesting. Very interesting. Di Sunway ni apa benda pula buat tak buat kena buat. I mean everything possible. I started my online class in April. I think I didn't know this one at all. 37 student. Jadi kita buat kelas online lah. Memang boleh belajar lah, boleh. Belajar tu tak kira lah. Tengok muka ke, tak tengok muka ke. ICC berjalan ya. Nothing that impossible lah. You kena buat juga. Student akan belajar. Kadang-kadang pula student suka pula belajar from home. So, what do you think Nabila about this?
Okay.
The student study style?
Student punya study style kan? Okay, so masa kita pandemic ni, right? Actually, right? Masa pandemic ni memang kita stop for a while our college, but then and because Sunway have like investment on their own system to do online punya study, so we use eLearn. Okay, then after that, when the government announced that we can finally come back to the college, right? We implementing hybrid teaching, means we divide the student into two groups. There's team A, team B. So every week the student will rotate lah. Some will come to the class and some will be online. And I think our students surviving, right?
Yeah, very interesting.
Very interesting. And actually, right, this is the thing that you need to do. You need to survive in this technology world. Betul tak buat IR 4.0, AI semua ni kan? And it needs to be up to date lah. Kita yang lecturer yang tua-tua ni pun kan?
You lah, you tak apa I kan. Yang tak pandai IT pun kena belajar juga. Survive. Kita ada online, kita ada face to face, ada hybrid, semualah. At first tak tahu, suddenly tahu. Itu yang best tu. Sekarang ni I boleh buat lah. E-learn ke, face to face ke, online ke, hybrid ke, manageable. Alhamdulillah. Sunway make me do it. So I do it lah. Okay, Alhamdulillah.
Thank you juga as a lecturer. So we are very appreciated with the Sunway learning management system lah. I mean,
very helpful.
Right point, especially during this pandemic. Of course, that little bit.
Hopefully kita dapat result ni elok ya, insyaAllah exam for next 2 weeks time. So sebelum saya akhir sesi ni, saya berharap betul lah ya, Bumi Putra, anak-anak Bumi Putra lepasan degree, terutama memang saya sayang lah lepasan Universiti UiTM tu, sebab saya di UiTM dulu 36 tahun, 35 tahun ya. Why not ya, ambil peluang ni ya, kita tak ada kata lagi tak ada duit nak belajar, so dibagi keluar peluang ni, masuklah belajar di Sunway Test ya. It's very interesting ya, you can make it. If I can do it, you also can do it ya. InsyaAllah I hope to see you ya. Terima kasih sebab orang kata bersama-sama kami malam ini ya, insyaAllah. Assalamualaikum.